Good afternoon all. Today we are going to see about the regulatory bodies. You can see different types of regulatory bodies which all are the logo has given here. That is SNA in 2007 SNA, that is the logo. Then Indian Nursing Council. Then the Trained Nurses Association of TNA. Then that is the state the American what the state model. Then these are the main logos. Then role of regulatory body in nursing. That is, regulatory agencies are usually a part of the executive branch of the government. They have statutory authority. Regulatory authorities are commonly set up to enforce standards and safety. That is, the regulatory agencies are usually a part. That is, for our normal functioning of our course, that is the professional course, some regulatory bodies is needed. For normal functioning, that is some principles, some laws, that all things should be come only. There will be the proper functioning of an institution. So the court, in order to get the proper law, same law or common law, for that the regulatory bodies is must and important. Aim and objective. Define the regulatory body. To understand about the purpose, types, role of regulatory body and apply this knowledge in your clinical field with a positive attitude. Then definition of regulatory body. It is the formal organization designated by statute or an authorized government agency to implement the regulatory form and process whereby order, uniformity and control are brought to the profession and its practice. And I have already explained that for the normal functioning, the whole organization comes under the same field, so same roof. In order to that, we should get a uniformity and a control is needed. Must. So it will be, so regulatory body only can maintain that one. Vital role of regulatory body: to support and assist professional members, set and enforce standards of nursing practice, enforce standards of nursing practice, to ensure the public's right to quality healthcare service, monitor and enforce standards for nursing education, set the requirement for registration of nursing professionals. These are the vital roles. That is the first, support and assist. The professional members is needed. Support, that is trained and association. TNA is giving many support. SNA is giving support. That IC and INC, like that every bodies is giving one by one or other type of support is giving to our. Then set, enforce, that standard is enforced. Monitor, enforce the standard. They have enforced some standards they have, and it is, we should be monitor that one. To ensure the public right to quality of healthcare service. The quality healthcare service is also needed. So in order to that, we should be we need these regulatory bodies. Then major types of regulatory bodies are International Council for Nurses (ICN), American Nurse Association (ANA), Indian Nursing Council (INC), State Nursing Council (SNC), Trained Nurse Association of India (TNA), Student Nursing Association (SNA). Then first coming to the International Council for Nurses. The International Council for Nurses, founded in 1899, member 135, that is the current president Annette Kennedy. It is the Federation of Non-Political and Self-Governing National Nurses Association. The headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland. The main purpose of ICN is to provide a means through which the national association can share their interest in the promotion of health and care of the sick. World first and largest international organization for health, represents 16 million international nurses, 130 national nurse organization. Objective of ICN: quality nursing care for all, sound health policies, decision, plans and action that are undertaken to achieve specific healthcare goals within a society, advancement of nursing knowledge, competent and satisfied workforce. Function of ICN: to promote the development of strong National Nurses Association, to assist National Nurse Association to improve the standards of nursing and the competencies of nurse, to assist National Nurses Association to improve the status of nurses within their countries, serve as authoritative voice for nurse and nursing internationally. The next is the ANA, it is American Nurses Association, professional organization to advance to protect the profession of nursing. Started in 1896 at the Nurses Associated Alumni, was renamed as the ANA, American Nurses Association, in 1911. It is based in Silver Spring, Maryland, and Pamela. Then Pamela F. Cipriano is the current president. Then functions of ANA: establish standard per practice, nursing education and services, establish an ethical code of conduct, then support systematic study, evaluation and research in nursing, conduct an affirmative action program, equal of opportunity for recruitment, selection, advancement and every other team. Then next is Indian Nursing Council. This is the logo. Indian Nursing Council is national regulatory body for nurses and nurse education in India. It is an autonomous body under Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, constituted by central government under Section 3(1) of the Indian Nursing Council Act 1947 in Parliament. Founded 31st December 1947, Sector Nursing, Nursing Education, Headquarters New Delhi, Agency Executive Asha Sharma, Vice President, T. Dilip Kumar, President, Parent Agency, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Aim of INC: to establish a uniform standard of training for nurse, midwives and health visitors. INC is a regulatory body for nurse and nursing education in India to upgrade and develop the nursing education. Then purposes of INC, that is the purposes are main that uniform standards of education. INC, that is providing uniform standard of education in whole India. We are having the same standard of education is giving. Nurses registration, that council is giving registration. Indian Nursing Register and registration of foreign nurses. Okay. Then functions of INC: to provide uniform standard of nursing education and reciprocity in nursing registration. It has authority to prescribe curriculum for nursing education in all states. It has authority to recognize program for nursing education or to refuse recognition of a program if it did not meet the standard required by the council. To provide registration for foreigners and for the maintenance of Indian nurses registered. The INC authorizes State Nurse Registration Council and Examining Board to issue qualifying certificates. Then State Nursing Council, SNC. The State Nurse Midwives Council was established in 1948 under the provision of Nurse and Midwives Act with the purpose of better training for nurses, midwives and health visitors. It works as autonomous body under the government of respective state Department of Health and Family Welfare. Function of SNC: registration and granting certificate to qualified persons to practice their profession, regulation of training program of the diploma, graduate and postgraduate, granting recognition to the training institution and periodical inspection, conduct all nursing courses. Then Trained Nurses Association of India. It is the National Association of Nurses formed in 1905 at Lucknow at the annual conference held in Mumbai in 1908, and decision was taken to establish TNA. The association was inaugurated in 1909. In 1912, the TNA got affiliated with the ICN. Then the level of organization moves to the district, state and national level. The members of TNA are usually most active at the level of the local unit. Activities and conference, however, are planned regularly by the state branches and provide opportunity for valuable professional participation and development of individual member. Aims: upgrading, development and standardization of nursing education, improvement of living and working condition of nurse in India, registration for all qualified nurse. Function of TNI, upgrading, development and standardization of nursing education, improvement of living and working condition for nurse in India, registration for qualified nurse. It has promoted the development of courses in higher education for nurses. It gives scholarship for nurses who wish to go on for advanced study, helped to recognize the State Nurse and Midwives Registration Council. Then helps to develop leadership ability, helps to share and solve professional problem, helps to remove discrimination against male nurse, helped to improve economic condition for nurse. Then Student Nurses Association at the University Howell at Manavam, that is SNA. Student Nurse Association established in 1929, Annual Conference of Trained Nurses Association of India. Ms. Ellen Jean of the Nursing Superintendent of General Hospital, Madras, was instrumental in forming this association. Objectives to uphold the dignity and ideals of the profession, encourage leadership ability, increase the student's social contact and knowledge, provide a special section. Purpose and function: to help student nurses learn how the professional organizations serve, to promote a close rapport, to encourage leadership ability. Professional activity: organization of meeting and conferences, maintenance of SNA diary, exhibition, fundraising, public speaking and writing. That all know you are familiar and you are doing the present time. Okay, thank you. These are the main regulatory bodies and how they act and what are the aims, objectives. These all things you have seen. You all understood about that, I think so. Okay, thank you all.